I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bit Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bit Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Action Livestorm. Give here an API key, so please visit the Livestorm API token. Generate a token. Give here a meaningful name. Give here right permissions. Generate a token. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Livestorm site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Livestorm site. Thanks for watching.